Mataji, my name is Srihari.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, this is Jagdish.
Hare Krishna Jagdish.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Janavi.
Hare Krishna Janavi. Okay, we can start sharing the sloka. Hare Krishna. Please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada and Guru Maharaj. Everyone, can you see the slide?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, one by one they can go and share their sloka. Today we will do only 2 slokas, the 6 and 7. Yatha Rishikesa from this, and then Visaya Visan Mahagne. 2 sloka they can recite. Who want to go first? Anybody want to try? I am not hearing anyone's voice.
Me, Satvik.
Okay, Satvik, go ahead.
Yata Rishikesha Karana Devaki Kamsera Puta Achishara Suta Pita Vimurti Hamcha Sama Atmaja Vibo Twaiwaya Natina Vibut Ganat Visan Mahangne Purachara Dashana Asasabaya Vanavasa Kitchara Bidri Sama Maatmara Astara Drowneya Astarasma Harichi Baishitat.
Thank you, Satvik. Thank you. Want to go next? Yes, Asutosh. Yes, Asutosh. Yeah, you can do from the Rishikesa, Yatha Rishikesa, okay? 6:20. Yeah. Go ahead.
ऐकू येत नाही बेटा. Kalena Devaki Kamse Narujitam Sutarpita Gojita Sahamaja Vibho Nataeva Natena Muhur Vipadganat.
Thank you. Thank you, Rishikesh. Yeah, thank you, Asutosh. Next one also you want to do? Bisan Mahagni.
Can I just start? Okay, Visamanange Purusham Darsana Satsada Vasa Vana Vasana Prachittaha Mridheneka Mahalastato Droneya Astra Hare Biharskitaha.
Yeah. Thank you. Hare Krishna, who want to go next?
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Krishna. Can I go?
Yes, Krishna.
What? Hare Krishna Mataji, I just joined.
Yes, yes. Wait 1 second. Yeah, go ahead, Krishna.
Which one should I say?
Yatha Rishikesa Kalena Devaki.
Yata Hikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Rudratiram Sukrapita Vimochitam Cha Sahatmaja Vibo Tvajaya Nathena Muhur Vipadganat. Hare Krishna.
Yeah,
You don't want to record the call?
Yeah, we did. Na Mataji?
No, you did live, Mataji. You did not record the call.
Oh, okay. Record in the cloud. Okay, it did. Thank you, Mataji. Yeah. Go ahead. Do you want to do next sloka, Krishna? Visan Mahagne.
Yeah, Mataji. Vishan Mahagne Purushada Darshanad Ashat Sabhava Vana Vasa Krachata Mrade Mrade Neka Maharashtroto Drauni Astras Chama Hare Biharkshita.
Thank you. Who want to go next?
Sai Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
Visan Mahagena Purushada Darshanat Asat Sapaya Vanavasa Krichet Mrude Mrude Aneka Maharastratro Drown. Mataji, I cannot see. Okay. Dronye Astrat Samaya Hare Birakshitaha. Mataji, can I see the next
Yatha Rishikesa. Yeah, Yatha Rishikesa.
Yata Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Ruti Siram Surarapita Vimocha Hamsa Sahatmaja Vibo Tattvacha Natena Muhar Vipad Kanat.
Yeah, thank Asara, can you do? You want to do? You want to?
Yata Rishikesh Kalena Devaki Kamsena Rudati Chiram Sucharpita Vimochitaham Sahatmaja Vivo Tvayeva Natena Muhurvipadganat.
This one. Another Visan Mahagni. Visan Mahagni.
Vishan Mahagne Purushada Darshanat Asat Sabhaya Vanavasa Krichritaha Mride Mride Anika Maharata Shato Drone Ashatastasma Hare Avirakshitaha.
Thank you, Asra. Janavi, who want to go next? These two sloka, these two sloka is little difficult compared to other sloka. If you want to see, Pranab, go ahead. You can see also if you don't know.
Vishan Maha. Sorry, go from Yata. Yata Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Rudar Chiram Sucharpita Vimochitaham Chasahatmaja Vibo Tvayeva Natena Muhurvipatkanat Vishan Mahagne Purusha Darshanat Asat Sabaya Vanavasa Kricharat Mride Mride Neka Maharashtrato Draunya Astras Chasmahare Birakshita. Thank you, Mataji. Mistake.
Mataji, you're on mute, Mataji.
Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead.
Who, Mataji?
Who want to go next?
Me, Janavi.
Go ahead, Janavi. Yatha Rishikesa.
Yata Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsena Rudati Chiram Sucharpita Vimochita Hamsa Sahatmaja Vibo Tattvacha Muhurvipatganat
Visan Mahagni.
Visan Mahagne
Message type in.
tat
Sava.
Savaya Manavaya Kechata
Mride.
Mide Mide Nika Madhatasidam
Dronastra.
Dronasa
Tatas.
Tetas
Tasma.
Chasma
Harim.
Harivilasitam.
Thank you, Janvi. Thank you so much. Who want to go next? Hare Krishna. All the kids are there. All the kids get chance.
No, Mataji, can Akshita go?
Go ahead, Akshita.
Wait, do we have to say both of the slokas?
Yes, yes. If you it is little difficult. If you want to say, you can go. I can open.
I just need to see this one, the Vishan one.
Okay, first one you can go ahead. Yatha Rishikesha.
Yata Rishikesha Khalena Devaki Kamsena Rudarti Chiram Sucharpita Vimochita Hamcha Sahatmaja Vibo Tvaeva Natena Muhur Vipatkanat Vishan Mahagne Purushad Darshanad Asad Sabaya Vanavasa Krichata Mride Mride and Neka Maharatrato Durni Astratas Chasma Harer Briyakshita. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Akshita. Brinda. Brinda, go ahead.
Yata Rishikesha Kaleva Devaki Kamsena Narudati Shiram Chucharbita Vimotitaham Najavibo Naeva Madena Vibur Pipadganat Vishan Mahan Me Purushada Darshanat Rasat Sabaya Anavasa Krishitaha Brude Brude Anega Janna
Aneka Maha
Vibho Hare Manatin
Darshina Asa
Sabaya
Vanavasa.
Asa Krishitaha.
Mride.
Last line she is not saying properly, Mataji.
Yeah, Mride Neka Maharatha Srata. Dronyastratasasma Hari Viraksitaha. Thank you, all the kids. Is there any kids who didn't get chance? Please let me know.
Me, Shreya Srihari.
Go ahead, Shreya and Srihari.
यथा ऋषिकेश खलेन देवकी
Kata Rishikesha Kalena Devaki
कंसेन रुद्धाति चिरं सुचार्पिता
Kamse
नरुद्धाति
Narudati
चिरं सुचार्पिता
Chiram Chakita
विमोचिताहं च
Vipochitaham
सहात्मजा विभो
Sahachaviho
त्वयैव नाथेन
Tvayevanatena
मुहुर्विपद्गणात् मुहुर्विपद्गणात्
Muhuri Padmanabh.
Thank you, Mataji. That's all day.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Shreya and Srihari. Yeah, today we learn this sloka is a very, very important sloka. Today's sloka. 1 second. I think this thing is not coming. Yes, Mataji? That please move this window away from share application. Yes, that is not there, I think, today. And I will read the translation first, because when we read the translation, we'll see what is there today. And then we'll see, we'll go through all the story. Here, translation is telling, I wish that, 1 second. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Who is this? Who is this? Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji, do we have a little time to actually try the breakout? Because
Yes, yes, Mataji. Yeah,
we can try it. Vinita Mataji is ready, right? Vinita
yeah,
Mataji, you can do breakout.
yeah. We can. We'll just try for the breakout. We can just
Come back.
divide you all kids in different room. Okay.
Me to break it.
Just a second. 5 minutes. Okay. We'll see all of you. Yeah. Sit here. You all sit here. Okay. Yeah. Mataji, who is doing breakout? Should I do or?
Mataji, you're the host, Mataji.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I'll do the breakout. How many rooms should I put, Mataji?
Just put some of us in
go
one
like
room
this.
and have the main session also.
How
Have
many
some people in the main
Mataji.
session.
Actually about 4 to 5.
4 room, okay? We are creating 4 room.
And everybody's sign now open all rooms.
How many rooms?
There's 4 rooms.
Uh,
4 rooms.
Mataji, we need
Yeah,
so
open
we
all
need
rooms.
a few people in the regular meeting, and then we can have 1 or 2 or how
Yeah,
many
open
are
all
you
rooms.
ready for.
3 rooms. Should I put in the 3 room, Mataji? 3 room?
And you can change. So
Okay,
if you want
Mataji.
a teacher to be there, you can change.
Okay, yeah, Asra is there. She would be able to help me.
Yeah, she's there. Where is that?
Because
back?
Facebook is still live, so
So
we
Oh,
need
okay.
people in the main meeting.
Oh, okay, okay. Where can we go? Back, Asa?
see
Breakout
they're
room.
joining.
Mm.
And then
Breakout. 1 second. Not 4 room. See, Asra did the 4 room, Mataji. I
How
have
many
to
do you
go
need?
back again.
Wait, Mataji? Something
Yes.
has popped up off my screen that
Yes, yes, yes. We can all join in the different room. Okay. Okay, Mataji, shall I start?
I think I'm in the. Get back, everyone. The host has to bring them back. Everyone can come back. But the host should be able to bring them back.
Should be able to bring us back. Yes.
Because the individual kids may not know how to do it.
Yes, Mataji, the host can bring them back.
Hey, bring it.
She can say close the breakout rooms, then it will close up, Mataji. Automatically they'll be
Thank
coming.
you so much, Anjana Gopika Mataji, for trying that. We were able to break out. Was anyone there in the main?
We got back, Mataji.
Mataji, we got back now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mataji.
So
Yeah.
did you visit all the groups, Mataji?
Yeah, I visit all the group. The things, all the group, we need to go through different group. Yes, we have to add a co-host in all the group. Yeah, that we need.
If we join as Bhakti Sangha, we naturally join as co-host. So you should just see that each break room has one co-host. When you're placing them into break rooms, you should see that each break room has one co-host. Because now today I joined by Bhakti Sangha and I was directly a co-host.
Yeah.
Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. I understood. Yes.
Yeah. I think now that live will not go. Yes, that time live and this one, Mataji.
Yeah, if we have a main session, then it will go.
So Mataji, we can check the live also, how live is working. Is live working for all the breakout rooms, or it is showing only one live? We can check in the live, Mataji.
Yeah, we'll check later on and then I figure out. Yes.
Yeah. Now we can continue with the class because already we got.
Yeah. We can continue class, kids. Thank you so much. We will do the class. I don't know what happened to me. I'll share the screen again. One second. Indu Mataji, can you share the screen to me? I gave you.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, just now I got little confused.
Mataji?
No, I asked her to share my screen.
Mataji, please go ahead and continue. Asking. I will just bring it up.
Yeah, it's finished actually. The kids, anybody who didn't get chance, please let me know to sharing the sloka. All of you, did you get chance?
No, Mataji, some kids were missing. Sri Hari, I think.
Sri Hari did, Mataji, I think. Sri Hari did. Karthik joined later, I think. Karthik and Jagadish, Karthik, they didn't share. I don't know what happened to my. Oh, okay, I found. Yeah, Mataji, I found. Yeah, I lost actually. Yeah, Indu Mataji.
Mataji, it's sharing, Mataji. You want? Okay, is that good?
Yeah, you share?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Mataji, there is after this sloka, down, there is only picture is there, Mataji. Translation, this 7, that 825. After that, I'm reading the translation first, and then we can. Yeah. Okay, we'll read the translation. I wish that all the calamities would happen again and again. Can you all repeat after me? I wish that all those calamities would happen again and again, so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we'll no longer see repeated births and deaths.
Births and deaths.
Yeah, I made some of the slide how Kunti Maharani went through all the difficulties. Mataji, can you go to the next slide? We'll go, we'll talk about all her difficulties and then we'll recite the sloka. Next slide, Mataji. Yeah. 1 second. Okay, in the beginning, this picture you can see Kunti Maharani, she left her son Karna, yes? Yeah, we can see the picture.
Yes.
Yeah, and next, after she had when she was just a young lady, she got a baby, and then because she didn't know what to do that baby, she was very young and she was unmarried, and she was very much afraid also, and she was also afraid of the society or her father's reputation. That's why she left her son in the river, and that was I don't know how she managed, you know, it was very much big trouble for her. And next we can see she married with Pandus, and then Pandu also died, you know, when they went to the forest for hunting. That time Pandu, he died. And then next you can see Bhima. Actually Duryodhan threw in the river, and big river, and there all the snake is biting him, and then even they took in somewhere, and later on they gave, actually he got so 10,000 elephant strength by the mercy of Krishna, but in the beginning they wanted to kill him, you know, because he was very strong and he was very, Duryodhana were they were afraid maybe he will harm us later on. Next sloka, Mataji. All this difficulty that Kunti Maharani went through, you know, that's why she is again praying before sloka. Yeah, before that, Mataji. Yeah. See, there is a house they made. Duryodhana and Dhritarashtra, they made a plan to kill all the Pandus family and Kunti Maharani, everybody, you know. And then somehow Krishna's mercy and Vidura also gave some idea to how to come out from this fireplace, and then they come out. See, you can see they came out from the cave. And next Karna is Kunti's son is Karna, but he was in the side of Duryodhana. That was very painful to the Kunti, you know. Kunti, she was thinking, okay, when she knew, she understand, when she saw all the kundal, because by birth, Karna, he was born like, he has a kundal and some kind of signal was there. Because of that, she could recognize her son. And then this Duryodhan, he knew that he's a very strong person and he made a friendship with him. That's why it was also very much a big challenge for her. Her own son, first time when she saw Karna, immediately he joined the opposite party. That was also very painful. And later on, see Draupadi, how Draupadi got insult in that assembly of all the older person. It was very painful for Kunti Maharani. And Mataji, next sloka, next, and see, after that, they all went to the Banavas. Kunti Maharani and all the sons, they went to the Banavas for 12 years. And then, and also Duryodhana plan, Duryodhana sent the Rishi, yes, Durvasa Rishi, so that they will get course. But Krishna came and saved them. This next slides. And last, there was a big war of Mahabharata. That time so many people killed, and actually they were all family members of the Pandus and Kauravas. That was also very painful. And next is this is Bhisma Dev. He died after Kurukshetra. It was a big because he the only person who loved their family is Bhisma Dev, but he died, you know. That was also, it was very painful. And later on her son Karna also died, and her grandson Abhimanyu, so many other member of the family, they died. So many difficulty were there in Kunti Maharani's life. And then Mataji, can you go to the sloka? 24 sloka. Yeah, and here Kunti Maharani is praying, I wish that all those calamities would happen again and again, so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated birth and death. What we can see here, when all the things, whatever difficulty were happening in Kunti Maharani's life, that time, every time Krishna was there. Because of Krishna gave all the mercy and strength, he could go through all the difficulties. And that's why she is again praying. That time actually everything was settled very nicely. And, they got kingdom, and then Krishna was about to leave their place, Hastinapur. That time she is praying, Krishna, when we had difficulties, we could see you again and again. Means whenever difficulty came, we used to pray to you very sincerely, and then we could feel your presence, But now you are leaving, we are happy situation, you are also leaving. We don't want that. We wish that all the difficulties come again and again, and then we can see you. By seeing you means we don't need to come this material world. By seeing you means we don't need to be in this birth and death. Yes, like that she was praying. You can all repeat after me this sloka. 1 second. Okay. Vipal Santuta Saswat. Vipal Santuta Swaswat. Vipal Santuta Swaswat. Vipada Santuta Saswat. Tatra Tatra Jagat Guru. Tatra Tatra Jagat Guru. Vipada Santuta Saswat. Tatra Tatra Jagat Guru. Bhavato Darsanam Yatsyad. Bhavato Darsanam Yatsyad. Bhavato Darsanam Yatsyad. Bhavato Darsanam Yatsyad. Apurnar Bhava Darshanam. 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 Bhavato Darshanam Yatsyat. Bhavato Darshanam Yatsyat. Bhavato Darshanam Yatsyat. Apurnarvava darshanam. Apurnarvava darshanam. Okay, we'll try from the beginning again. Vipasantuta swasvat. Vipada santutva sasvat. Tatra tatra jagat guru. Tatra tatra jagat guru. Bhavato darshanam yasyad. Bhavato darshanam yasyad. Apurnarvava darshanam. Apurnarvava darshanam. Okay, we'll do Mataji, we'll do the breakout and then we'll do put all our coordinate means yeah, co-host, and then you can practice this sloka with it's with our devotee. Okay, Mataji, yeah. I just keep make sure move to Binita Mataji. Yeah, I am there.
Mataji, then we need multiple people sharing. So hopefully we have few people having the.
Okay, two. Can we do
So
the
we
two?
can record also, Mataji. I want everybody who is joining all the groups record everything.
यार यहाँ जान सक्नुहुन्छ नगर हजुर होस्ट भएर हजुर यहाँ जान सक्नुहुन्छ हजुर यहाँ पनि जान सक्नुहुन्छ
Yeah, and two group. Can I make Mataji two group?
Sure, Mataji. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, two group
Because
and
you have
then
the slides and I also have the slides, so we can
yeah,
have
yeah, two group. Recreate the group. One is I if I have to go here, how I can go?
हजुर यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ अनि
Mataji is there, na?
यहाँ माताजी त्यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ
Yeah, yes. Indu Mataji Pranab, yeah, I have to move her there. Yeah, here.
हजुर त्यसरी मुभ गर्ने टु ब्रेक
And one is one is I can break.
Mataji, probably we need to inform all the kids also, right?
Yeah, Mataji, yeah. All the kids, you are some of you are in one. We have two room now. Mataji, you can tell. We have two room. Yeah, Vinita Mataji, Indu Mataji, they are in one group. I am in different group. You can practice sloka with another Mataji. Okay, we are breaking the room. We are opening two room now. Okay. Opening.
किन गराएको थियो अब all breaker rooms will close in 1 minute सब 1 मिनेट दो ग्रुप छैन हजुर all breaker rooms will close 47 seconds हजुरले किन गराएको थियो किन क्लोज गरे क्लोज टच नगर्नुस्
Okay, अन्त
अब के पनि गर्न सक्दैन ब्रेकआउट बाट जान्छ न you have to join back in
okay. Hare Krishna. 1 second. It will be closed in within one. Yeah. Maybe 1 second. It's happening, Asra.
हजुर 10 सेकेन्डमा हुन्छ
Yeah. So I think it's going to be breakout room. We're gonna close, and that again we have to break out. Mataji, what happened?
Now open all room ones.
Okay.
With the close touch now ones. That's right. So.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, I will share the screen. Okay, now I have to share the screen. Oh, share, and then yeah. Who want to go? Who want to?
Breakout room cancelled.
Now again, it's break. Yes, I already.
Everybody's in the breakout room.
Huh?
No.
But
Why I came out of it?
देखना सकते ना आज को screen.
What happened? I don't know, Mataji. Yeah, Indu Mataji, which room? Are you which room in Indu Mataji?
Mataji, I think everyone in all the rooms are back.
Okay. What I have to
I
do?
think so.
Mataji, is this first group?
Better room last night. Bye.
Now is again coming, Mataji. Are you in which room, Mataji, now?
Mataji, now I came to main group, Mataji. Nobody is there in that group.
Okay, again I have to break out. Means.
Recording did, I stopped and came back again.
Okay. Okay, I will again break out, maybe again, Mataji. 1 second. Break out the room.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. It's saying close. All the breakout room will close in the 30 seconds. Okay, you kids, you can practice the sloka. Anybody want to try?
Hi, Mataji.
Yeah, go ahead.
विपादः सन्तुतः सस्वतः तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यत् स यद् अपूर्णर् भव दर्शनम्. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Hi, Mataji.
Go ahead, Sai.
विपत्सन्तु तः सस्वत् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात् अपूर्ण भव दर्शनम्. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much.
Mataji, can Akshita go?
Go ahead, Akshita.
विपादसन्तु तच्छस्वत् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरो भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात् अपूर्णं भवदर्शनम्. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Mataji, can I do again? Sorry, kids, today it's a little technical because we are planning to break out the room. I'll start again. Okay, Mataji? Yeah. All participants has been invited to breakout room. Did you get the part? Mataji, did you get?
Ma.
Dakana.
Yeah.
Mataji, can we join in the breakout room one, Mataji?
Yeah. Did you see? Are you in different room now?
Oh, can I join, Mataji?
Who is this?
Monish.
Yeah, Mataji. You are in this. You want to share the sloka?
No. Yes. No.
1 second, I'm opening this. Yeah, Monish, go ahead. Go ahead, Monish. Vipas. Yeah, Monish, go ahead.
Mataji sloka.
Thank you so much. Next, who is there? Ansu, Shreya and Srihari. You want to go, Shreya and Srihari? Shreya and Srihari, who want to practice this sloka? Vipasantuta Saswat. I think Sai did.
No, ma'am. No, Mataji.
Vipasantuta.
विपादसन्तुतः सस्व तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात् अपुनर्भवदर्शनम्.
Thank you, Asra. Want to go next? Okay, next. Okay, you all can repeat after me one time. Vipasantuta swaswat.
Vipasantuta
Tatra tatra jagadguru.
Tatra tatra jagadguru
Bhavato darsanam yasyad.
Bhavato
Bhavadarsanam. From first sloka I'll do, you can all repeat, okay? Konteya vacha Namaste purusam twadhyam
Namaste Purusham.
You want to say the sloka? Okay, Janavi want to say, okay. Let's say, this one. No, not this one.
Vipasantuta
Swaswa
Swaswa
Tatra Tatra
Tatra Tatra
Jagadguru
Jagadguru
Bhavato darshana yasyat
Bhavata darshana yatta
Apunar Bhavadarsanam.
Bhavadarsanam.
Thanks. Anybody want to try? Mataji is finished. Vinita Mataji, can we do that one together now?
Yeah, we are done, Mataji. We came out of it because nobody want to recite. They can recite here maybe if they wanted to.
Yeah,
Only
yeah.
one kid recited the old sloka.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you all. I think we can close. They all can come now. Did you get some idea, Vinita Mataji? Yeah, we can break out back in things, yes?
No. The idea should be done for you, Mataji, because for me, I cannot do anything. When I go to that room, I can stop recording, and I can see the two rooms, what are created, who are there in what group, but I cannot move anybody. Like I cannot move one person to another room. I'm not the only host can do that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Anyway, we are coming and together.
One host is there. I'm not sure how it will be working. We cannot make so many hosts at a time, right? Only one host at a time.
Okay, our entire team is back. We were 6 of us and we're back with you now.
Okay, Mataji. Okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you all the kids. Yeah. We want to do one time sloka and then we'll do next week. Okay, you can practice your sloka. Okay, you all can repeat after me and please forgive us about some technical problem also going on here. What is the time? Yeah, I will recite all the sloka. You can all repeat after me. Okay. Konteya vacha Namasye purusam twadhyam Ishwaram prakite param Alaksyam sarvabhutanam Antarbahiravastitam Maya javadikarchanam Agnadokshajamabhayam Nalakshase mudadrisa नतो नाट्यानरो यथा तथा परहंसानां मुनीनां अमलात्मनां भक्ति योग विधानार्थं कथं पश्येमहि स्त्रिया कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंद गोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः नमः पंकजनाभाय नमः पंकजमालिने नमः पंकजनेत्राय नमस्ते पंकजांग्रे यथा ऋषिकेश खलेन देवकी कंसेन रुधाति चिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचिता हंस सहत्माजविवो तोयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गना विशान महाग्ने पुरुषात् दर्शनात् असत सवाया वनवास कृच्छ्रतः मृदे मृदे रथास्रतो द्रोण्यास्त्रताश्च स्म हरिविरक्षिता Okay, today this is the last sloka today. Vipasantuta swaswat tatra tatra jagadguru bhavato darshanam yasyad अपूर्णर्भव दर्शनम Thank you so much, kids. We finished almost 7-8 sloka. It's very nice. 8 sloka. Yeah, you can practice and you can also do prayers at home. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you, Mataji.
Loving.
Thank you for the wonderful Mataji.
Thank you everyone. You all please practice this sloka at home, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. We can end the call now.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Hari Bol.
Thank you, Mataji.